There are 5 questions. Read and answer carefully. For each question, you have 5 seconds to think and answer. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a question. Which one is correct? Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is B, he. Why? Because Jack is a male and for males we use he. The correct answer is B, because Jack and I are a group of people and I am in that group, so we is correct. The correct answer is A, because when you are saying I as a subject pronoun, you have to write it with a capital letter. The correct answer is C, because cat is an animal and we use it for animals. Remember, if that animal is your pet and you have a friendly relationship, you can say he or she. The correct answer is B, female, because a girl or a woman is a female. Well done! You are done with this test. If you answered correctly, congratulations. And if not, it's okay. Don't worry. You can always practice more. Talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.